Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today, Stitchfix time. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my channel and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, hugs and kisses. You know how much I love your loyalty to my channel. So most of you know what Stitchfix is. You can get it monthly, you can get it quarterly, you can get it annually, or just whenever you want it. It is a clothing subscription box, and they have kids boxes, they have men's boxes, and sooner or later they'll probably have puppy boxes. So I get mine, as soon as I return a box, they send me another one because I paid the $49 annual fee. So it's been, the last few boxes have been like hit or miss. I usually have been getting something from the box, but not a 5 for 5. And now that we jumped from like 50-degree weather to 80-degree weather, it's going to be a little bit challenging for my stylist. I've been getting Susie, and she does a pretty good job. Let's see if I have Susie again. Yes, I do have Susie, and I won't read you the card because I don't want to cheat and look at the pictures. And then of course it comes with the prices. And if you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount. So let's see what Susie sent me. And of course, this is the return bag for anything you don't keep. And it doesn't look like I have any shoes or handbags or accessories. So I'm gonna put the box down. Now I am filming, I bought an iPad because it's just driving me nuts filming from my phone. And I'm not sure where the camera is on my iPad. So if I seem like I'm all over the place, it's because I am. So sooner or later, I will figure out the iPad. So the first thing, oh, is this cute little top. Now, they send a lot of these, but I do like them. It's got the cute flower on the back. I mean on the front, but on the back, it's kind of a keyhole. And they do send a lot of these, and I don't mind it. I do find it a little sexy. And it's just got the straight, like t-shirt looking material. So I do kind of like this. And this is Fortune and Ivy Kaylee tied back mixed material top. And they call this white, and it's a size large. So I actually like this. So we'll have to see what the price is. And this looks like a sweatshirt, and I'm loving the colors. It is Markin Spruce Blakely zip up hooded brush knit in white, and it's a large. And I bought a sweatshirt from a company I don't even think is in business anymore. It was a clothing company, and I had it up in Washington, and when I moved, I can't find that darn thing anywhere. So I need to replace it, and I loved it. It's got a hoodie, and it's super, super soft. But what's cool is it's got this like sweatshirt kind of material. Of course, it'll probably show all my lumps and bumps, but it's got the little pocket things in the front. And let me just check out the sleeves. My other one had the little, where you could put your fingers, thumbs in there. This one doesn't, but it is so soft. And this will be great just for those cool evenings that we sometimes get in Arizona. But I do like this. So Susie, you're knocking it out of the park. And then the next thing looks like a top. And I probably have something, similar, but I'm wearing it. It has the buttons on the back. and I'm wearing this exact top. It's the pink clover, and it's got the buttons on the back. And I had to go for a test this morning, and I had a male test person, and I guess, you know, he's like, well, you'll have to take off your top because it's all buttons. And I'm like, well, they're not real buttons, because you honestly think I'm gonna be able to button my shirt all the way down the back. But obviously I like this top because it's one of my most comfortable tops that I reach for. And this is the Pink Clover Daisy button back detail top in a large. And again, this one actually feels softer than the one I'm wearing. So I do love this top, as you can tell. So far, I'm looking at a 5 for 5, which is scary. And, oh, I'm like, I don't see the other one. And then we have, let's see which way it goes. This is the 41 Hawthorne Ileana hidden keyhole blouse in a large, another keyhole. Sometimes they're hard to get on, and I'm just trying to figure out the back. And it comes with a little extra thing, because I don't know, oh yeah, here it is. So you do have to like undo it. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. I mean, probably not something I would reach for, but you know, Stitch Fix, I gotta throw that item in there. And then some more jeans. These are the Judy Blue, and I love that brand. They fit really good. And these are the Anya straight leg jean full length navy in size 8. And she just sent me some a few weeks ago, but I think they're boot cut. Oh yeah, they're definitely not. I love these. So, what do you think of my fix so far? I think that's funny that I'm wearing the same top that she sent me. So, I'm gonna try this on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm attempting to film outside with the iPad. I don't know how it's gonna go. So I am wearing the Judy Blue straight leg jeans in navy. I'm not too sure about how they fit in the bottom. And I am wearing the 41 Hawthorne hidden keyhole blouse in black. And I couldn't get the button. And once I button it, it might be a little tight. I'll try to step back. Let's see if I can turn you this way. I gotta figure this thing out. There we go. So I kind of like the way it fits. But as I said, I have to do the button. And we went to the county fair over the weekend, and I did get a tattoo. It's supposed to last like 2 weeks, so it is not a real tattoo, but I thought it would be fun to get it. So it's not a bad little top, but I'm afraid once I button it, it might choke me. And I do have on the jeans, so they fit okay here. And I'll show you the back. See if I walk away, if you can see them, if the sun isn't too bright. But I'll put you down at the bottom. I'm sorry about that. I gotta figure out how. But see how they fit at the bottom? They're like kind of baggy here. And then they just kind of come down. So I'm not sure if I like the way that they fit. So I'll be right back. I'll be right back with the next one. Okay, I am back with the next top. This is the one that I was wearing in gray, and the pants are definitely going to go back because they're already falling down. And this is the Pink Clover Daisy button black detail in the navy. And as I said, it is just so soft. And I'll try to back up. Bring it down here. So I do like the way it fits. It's just a throw on top, and it has the buttons in the back. So it's just a comfortable little t-shirt as I pick up the pants. So I do like it. Do I need it in another color? Of course I do. So it just depends on the pricing. And I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, I have the last two pieces on. I am wearing, and I absolutely love it, is the Market and Spruce Blakely Zip Up Hooded. The words are cut out, so I don't know what it's called. In white, in a large, and the, what is this? The Fortune and Ivy Shaley Tee tie back mixed white in a large. But it's beautiful. So this is the hoodie, and I absolutely love it. It is so soft. And we have the ribbing, and the ribbing over here. And it zips up, and then I'll turn around and show you the back. So this is how the front, as I said, it's just a perfect length. And then got the hoodie back here. These pants are driving me nuts because they're falling down. I could actually order them in a 6 and size down, and they probably would fit. It's just the bottom. It makes me feel short, and I'm far from short. But depending on how this fix goes, I might just order them in a size 6 because they run kind of big. I mean, I could like definitely drop a size. So this is the hoodie, and I really like it. So again, depending on the price, whether I do the 5 for $5, I'm gonna probably keep this because I just love it. And then let's talk about this piece. To find something that's not dirty out here. I like this top, except in this area. If it was just a tad longer, because I love the neckline. I love the sleeves. They're not too tight, but it's just because I think it's white, it's just gonna show my stomach. I could probably wear a tight tank underneath and push that in. I'll show you the back. I'm not sure if you can see the rolls back here. I could probably wear a top underneath to push the lumps and bumps, but it just seems short. Let me know what you think. But I definitely love my hoodie. So I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I'm back with the recap. What did you think of the fix? It was a great fix. It's just my body that's off. So the jeans were $62. They don't fit. So they're an 8. If I size down to a 6, they probably would work. They would be tighter in the bottom and definitely tighter around the waist. So we'll just have to see how the rest of the fix goes. And the Market and Spruce hoodie is $46. I don't think that's a bad price. So I'm gonna consider keeping that because it fit nice, it was soft, I really like that. And the hidden keyhole blouse in black that was just a little, you know, would kind of be tight around my neck. That was $44. Do I think it's $44 worth? Probably not. If it was in the buy all discount, maybe. And then the Fortune and Ivy tie back mixed in white, which is what I have on, is $40. And it's cute, it's adorable, but it's just too short and my belly's just too big. So let me know what you think of it. I think it's adorable. It would go great with shorts and some tennis shoes, but I'm just feeling like I'm busting out. And the last thing is that pink clover top that I already have in the gray, and it was in the navy, and that's $36, which is a really great Stitch Fix price. So I'd like to consider that one too, but that would be like, what do we, 40, 76, like $84 for 2 tops. So the total price of the fix is $228 for 5 pieces, including jeans and a hoodie. Not bad. The buy all discount, I would save $57 and it would be $171, which is a great price. And then of course they had tax, nasty tax. So it'd be $171. But again, the pants were, and the black top and this top here. So let me know what you think and leave comments below. And again, this is staying with me, my favorite hoodie. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.